friends, and hello vintage lovers. I have not posted an actual haul video in quite a while, and I do have several items that I want to show you that I have picked up. These items are from Goodwill, believe it or not, and an estate sale that I hit up last weekend. Most of you know I was in an accident. I'm having to go to physical therapy and doctor's appointments, so I just really haven't had the time to do a haul. But as I was preparing to get everything ready for tonight's live sale with Gina, I realized I haven't even shown these yet. So there may be a series of haul videos out today and tomorrow. This one will definitely go out today on Wednesday. And we are having our sale tonight at 10:30 Eastern. Approximately, we will go on as soon as Katie at Vintage and Vinyl is finished with her show. So we're going to be watching that because we love watching Katie, and as soon as she is done, we will start our sale. And I'm very excited about it. I apologize to everyone that we had to cancel our sale last night on Gina's channel. I had no internet. I had no internet for a day and a half. So, we tried. I couldn't get StreamYard working on my phone. It just wasn't going to work. So we're kind of hoping that tonight we can breeze through some items pretty fast and show you guys some really cool stuff because we both have found amazing things over the past few days. Okay, I may as well tell you which I got from Goodwill and which I got from an estate sale. Okay, this first piece I got at Goodwill. This is a really, really pretty art glass. I hope it's picking up the color swirls in here. Maybe if I show this, you can see it. I believe this is a vase. It could also be a very large candle holder. It is in excellent shape. No damage to this whatsoever. I do believe it's art glass and not Murano, but it's really, really well done. And if anyone loves orange like I do, this would be beautiful in your vintage decor. I don't know if it's vintage for sure, but to me it does look vintage. I don't know, but I think it's really cool, and I was surprised that I got it at Goodwill. Okay, speaking of being surprised at Goodwill, check this out, guys. I also got this at Goodwill. This was yesterday when I went to Goodwill. This piece, I believe it is an ashtray. It's kind of a cranberry color. It's actually extremely heavy, so I don't think I'm going to try to pick it up right now. It has this really cool like triangle shape, and then it has, it curves down inward here. So I believe it's an ashtray. It may just be a piece of art glass or decor. I think it's absolutely stunning. I don't think the light in this room is giving it the justice it deserves, but it is so, so pretty. I did not find any scratches on this glass at all. There are a couple spots. I think it's kind of like controlled bubbling. I can't even find it now, but I do believe it's because this is a hand blown piece. I have to admit I was shocked. So when I was at Goodwill, I need to stop whacking that beautiful Lefton piece there. When I arrived at Goodwill, they were putting items on the shelves. So they had these giant bins they were rolling out. This was not at the actual bins. This was just at my local store. And I was kind of peeking over one lady's shoulder that worked there. And she said, "Oh, it's okay, honey. You can go through." And this is the first thing I saw. And I immediately put it in my cart. I have learned my lesson over the past few weeks about making sure items are not chipped. So instead of just grabbing it and, putting it in my basket and not thinking about it, I did go over it very carefully before I went to check out. This is just stunning. I've got to do some more research on it. If it is just a large art glass ashtray and it's mid-century, these could be around 75 and up. There is no marking, so I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to do more research on that. If this is something you're interested in, definitely reach out to me, calypsoantiques@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram, calypso_antiques on Insta. I'm happy to, work with you if this is something you're interested in. The shipping will be high because it's so heavy. I have not weighed it, but it's heavy because it's a really nice piece of glass and it's large. But let me know if you're interested, because I will not be putting something like this in a live sale. This will be on Etsy, unless you let me know. Okay, now this I also did pick up at Goodwill, and this is just a real cute patriotic basket. Gina and I are doing a red, white, and blue sale. We haven't set a date yet, but it'll be soon, for the upcoming 4th of July holiday. So that is why I picked this up. It does have a tag on it, and it's called Genuine Boyd's. And it is made in America. I'm going to have to do some research. I don't know anything about this basket manufacturing company. It was originally $8.99, but I just thought this would be cool to put in the sale. And I don't have a lot of 4th of July themed items, so I definitely had to pick that up. Okay, you won't believe this. This owl. Okay, he was also in a bin, getting ready to be put on the shelf. So, of course, as soon as I saw him, I picked him up. He is very heavy, guys. Very heavy. And he is signed by the artist on the back. Let's see if I can turn it around safely. It looks like I got it. The name of the artist is A. Santini, I believe. I did a little bit of research on it, and this is also a mid-century piece. Gosh, I cannot talk. I didn't find this exact one, at least not on this base. So I'm going to have to do more research on him as well, but he is hand-carved, and to be honest with you, I'm not sure what he is. I don't think he is resin, but he is really, really cool. There are a couple of issues with them, like he does have a little scratch here, and there's a little, honestly, you can't even really tell that that's a scratch. And there is a scratch on the back, but that probably happened at Goodwill. I think whoever owned him loved him, because how could you not? He's really large. I'm trying to get him into frame better so you can see. Like, here's a normal size vase, and there's this owl. Speaking of vases, this vase is stunning. This is a company called Toyo, and it is a Japanese company. And the name of this series is Jade Kiku. But the amount of detailing on this is absolutely beautiful. First of all, I love the green color. I love the butterfly. It is gold trimmed all around the top and at the bottom. Just so pretty. I could not leave that behind, that is for sure. And that was also Goodwill. Okay, on to the next. This piece, I got it in an estate sale. It was in a garage covered in dirt. And luckily, I saw these irises. I believe they're irises. They were not fully covered in dirt. I could see something shiny underneath, so I grabbed it, and I'm so glad that I saw it and that I did. This is probably from the 80s from the looks of it. I have not looked this one up yet, but it is also made in Japan. It says fine china. It's in excellent shape. I cleaned it up and it looks brand new. I absolutely love this vase. I can't believe someone forgot about it in their garage, but I'm also glad that I found it and it didn't end up in a landfill, because it is so pretty. Okay, speaking of pretty, this piece is Lefton. This is a special edition Lefton piece, actually. It is this beautiful teapot. I think I'm blocking the light, but it has a poinsettia here. And it has a poinsettia on the top, as well as this filial up here. It's in really good shape, guys. As soon as I saw it, I realized I had to get it. It is marked here, Lefton, limited edition. I have not researched it yet. There's a smudge right there that will come off. I just haven't had time to clean that off yet. It's in really good shape. I found a little bit of a ding right there, and honestly, I may be able to get that out. Otherwise, it's in perfect shape. at the estate sale, yet again, somebody tried to take something from me, and it was this. It was the last day of the estate sale, and that's when people get really crazy. Luckily, I was holding on to it for dear life, and they were not able to get it out of my hands, but they wanted to. They asked me if I was taking it, and I said, yes, that's why it's in my hands. Tell you what, some people. Okay, so I got these two pieces here at Goodwill, but I think it was last week. It was not my trip yesterday. And I think these are so cool. They're obviously a lyre, or I believe they're a lyre, and I believe they're stands to hold music for a musician. They could also be used if you wanted to prop up a book or a cookbook or a recipe. I mean, there's so many different things you could do with these. I think they're so cool. I do not believe they're actual brass, but they're in excellent shape. Maybe they're plated with brass, and I'm not sure what the undermetal would be, but these pieces are so cool. I think they're so pretty and so unique. I've never really seen anything like that, and again, I was shocked to find that at Goodwill. Okay, this piece right here is so pretty. This is another estate sale piece, and this is made by High C Glass. I don't want to pick it up because it is actually heavy as well. It is a pink depression glass. To me, it's kind of like a console dish. The man at the estate sale said it was a candle holder. I'm not so sure about that. I did a little bit of research, but I didn't find the answers I was looking for. But it is definitely depression glass. It's definitely pink, and it's definitely high C. Okay, this is also an estate sale find. It was at the same estate sale as that Lefton pitcher I just showed you. This is, I believe it's a milk glass. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it looks very milk glassy to me. And this is hand painted. This is Nippon, and I cannot believe how pretty this piece is. And it is in such good shape. Whoever owned this piece or purchased it really took care of it. I mean, look at it, guys. It is so, so pretty. I'm going to gently show you the back here where it says hand-painted Nippon. I have not done any research on this yet. I do know that milk glass is coming back. Now that I'm feeling it, I don't think this is milk glass. I think it's porcelain. I think it's porcelain. I'm pretty sure it is. It's so pure. It looks like milk glass, if that makes any sense. So pretty. I love this. Okay, and these last things were also at an estate sale. They're not things, they're bookends. And they are so cute. They are these ceramic kitty bookends. And they're in really good shape. They do have like the sand weighing them down. And the cats themselves are in perfect shape. There's no scratches on them at all. And this bookend has absolutely no damage. Look at that face. This one has a little scratch on it right there, but it doesn't take away from how cute these are, in my opinion. Look at that face. I had to get these. We have so many kitty collectors in our sales, so I knew I had to get that. I don't know how old these are. I would guess 80s, but I could be way off on that. If you think you know, let me know. I'd be really excited to find out for sure. I have not researched them yet. But thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this short haul video. I will be putting out, it'll probably be tomorrow. I did find some more goodies at an estate sale over the weekend, so I do want to show those. And I'm going to try harder to actually successfully do a shop along. It's really hard at estate sales, and I actually had an estate sale company tell me not to film. So I don't know if I can do it there, but since I found a few pieces at Goodwill recently, maybe I can film there to show you what Goodwills are like in my area. They are definitely hit and miss. I think I was just really lucky, especially yesterday when I arrived, as they were stocking. So that was just pure luck. But if you see anything you're interested in, definitely let me know. And thank you for watching. As always, if you could subscribe if you haven't subscribed to me already. Like, comment, and share. I really appreciate it. And as usual, thanks so much for all your support, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.